Hi everyone, in this video we will be learning two new Excel function. Our first Excel function is choose column. In this choose column Excel function, what we will do is we will select some particular column from a table for our understanding. So let's start. First we will put equals to, then we put choose call. You will choose this choose call function, and in this you need to give table array. So select your table, comma, and now you want to select a column which you want to analyze. So suppose I want to analyze retail ID, beverages and unit price. So I will select 2 comma 1 to 4 comma 6 and hit enter. Yeah, so you can see my I have selected some particular column which I want to use. Now suppose you want to sort this column on the basis of this unit price. So what you will do is you will click on this formula equals to, you will simply type sort bracket, and you need to sort by comma sort order by third column and comma descending. So now you can see my retail ID has been sorted on the basis of this price unit column. So in this way you can use choose call and sort function to sort your table. Thank you.